Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this gigant yogurt bread. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious, guys. Try this recipe and you won't buy bread from anywhere anymore. Let's get started. So let's start with the dry ingredients. In the mixing bowl, add in flour, sugar, dry active yeast, and stir these ingredients together. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video and in the comment section as well. I'll also leave it in the description box. I then stir it till everything has come together, created a well in the middle, and added in warm milk, yogurt, and egg. The last ingredient that I added was salt. I'll mix these ingredients together to well combine and then until it form a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll transfer it on my wet surface and then knead it for about 5 minutes. This is very simple and easy to make, guys. It took no time at all. All you have to do is to add in all your ingredients, knead it, let it sit until it has doubled in size, and then bake this bad boy. After 5 minutes, I went ahead and added in softened butter, which was the last ingredient that I added to it. Make sure your butter is very soft. It makes it easier for you to knead. After, I knead it again for about 5 to 7 minutes. Play with the dough and then at the end you get a great result. After 7 minutes, I placed it back in the bowl, covered it with a cling film, and then let it sit until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, I sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface, deflated the dough, and then transfer it on my work surface. I then use my fingertips to spread it well before going in with a rolling pin. It makes it more easier to roll it out. So try your best as much as possible to roll it in a rectangle shape. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on it if necessary, and then roll it out again. It should be long, like as demonstrated in the video. I've forgotten the inches. So I went ahead and used the pizza cutter to cut to make a little stripes at the end, close to the end of the dough, and then I roll it out. It's simple as ABCD. Just watch the video carefully and you understand everything. So just roll it until you're almost at the end, and then brush the edge with a little bit of water or milk. Make this bread recipe for your kids and trust me, they're going to love it. Even for your guests, it's so easy to make. After, pinch the edge together, make it round, and then put it on your baking tray as seen in the video. After, let it sit until it has doubled in size. So I placed mine in the oven with the light on, not the oven. The oven was not on though, it was only the light. You know, we are in the cold place and we are in the cold weather, so putting it in the oven makes it double in size faster. I baked this at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. That's it, guys. When it comes out from the oven, brush on top with a little bit of oil or butter, and you are good to go, guys. Just look at this amazing bread. It's simple, easy, and it turned out so delicious. You won't buy bread anymore once you try this recipe. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to share. Give it a thumbs up again, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my page. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, guys, just look at this bread. It's amazing. It's so delicious. It's easy to make and you will love it. Your kids, your guests, they are all going to love it, guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.